This may even top yesterday's storm in terms of the water coming down. Wow. It was pretty hard yesterday. I took a video of it. But this was pretty windy here just a second ago. Wow. The neighbor's gutter, look how much water is coming out of that thing. My poor oak tree. Dang, I'm glad I have that thing staked up. I think I would be gone right now. I sure hope it doesn't snap. These are pretty strong winds. Oh, even the locust tree. Look at that. Wow. These lives here, it is really strong. Oh my gosh. Oh! Look at the locust tree. Oh geez, I hope this doesn't break anything. Hello. Are there any special weather alerts issued now? I guess there was one earlier. What? The tomato went down. This huge wind. What? I'll be soaking wet. I had it propped up right for the bricks too.